Support and resistance. So in the last video I mentioned that I'm going to walk you through support and resistance. So what exactly is support and resistance? This is one of the most widely used concepts in forex trading, and paradoxically everyone seems to have their own idea of how you should measure forex support and resistance, Bitcoin support and resistance, or any other instrument support and resistance. The truth behind this, in my opinion, is that there is no much of a holy grail trading here. What you need to be looking for are major levels on the daily, weekly, monthly charts, from where you can actually start building up your case. So let's say I'm looking at the weekly chart of Bitcoin. What is the most striking resistance area? So the most striking resistance area is this level here. This is the highest level of the highest level on the chart. It's close to 3000 psychological level, and the Bitcoin made this high on the 5th of June. So going down to the daily chart, what you're gonna see is that this level was actually tested a few times, like here once, very close to it, second time here, then another 1 and 2 times here. And if we zoom down to the 4-hour time frame, what we will see is pretty much the same thing in a bit more detailed scale. And zooming down to 1-hour chart is giving us the same information, but even more detailed. So this is a major level, and as such, price will find it hard to break through it. So as you can see, there are a lot of participants that around those levels, they're setting the pair or closing their long positions, which means that by doing this, they don't have really the truth behind. They don't really believe that the price will break through those levels, and they're scared to hold a position for longer than the level of 3000. This is the concept of resistance. Pretty much the same concept is the one of support, and here you have a very strong level which has been tested numerous times, as here on this is our daily chart. If I zoom down to the 4-hour time frame, you can clearly see that actually the price has been going between those two levels of 3000 and 1800. It was this level was the support level was touched 1 to 3 times here in the middle of May, and then we had another major it was a major correction which took place in the end of the month, and then the price skyrocketed up to almost the level of 3000. Then we had a price coming down very close to this level again, and now it has retested this level one more time, retested the resistance level a couple of times. You can see that the price is definitely closed in a range, which I have actually touched on the previous lecture. So this is what traders call a range, when the price is actually locked between two major levels, and it cannot break through either one of them. So I will actually consider more examples and talk a bit more about support and resistance in the next video.